Qatala. We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, come into your Barkov truck, and get off the exit before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your 7 number.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
Hey, what are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up. Hearing 2. Looking for us. 2 mercs, no uniforms.
Что-то слышу. Сейчас. Эй! Кто здесь? Выйди! Покажись!
They're game. Drop them.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land. Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Medium transport truck.
Transport for the gas. Vehicle's on the move.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army.
Check the railway.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot.
Рассредоточиться! Если что увидите, стреляйте!
Smoke him, now.
Clear. Force up.
Looks like someone was playing with fire. Serves them right, hawking this chemical shit.
Бернер! Ну, пожалуйста, помогите!
Put them out of their misery. Finish them off.
Туши огонь!
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Cut! Got an empty nest on that second deck!
He's dug in! Lay suppression to get up there! Use the door frame to mount your gun and stay in cover, Echo! Use the brush to flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to secure the gas before they move it.
Move out! He's in the open! Got a visual! Got a visual! Hey! Stop! He's by the curb! Got a visual!
Move with the brakes offline!
Reloading! Get moving! They're moving! 20 meters out! Movement! Got a visual! Target down!
He's on target! Move now!
Enemy northwest! Movement! Got a target! They're to our west! Where are they? What's by that barrier? Exposed!
We need
Got
to
a
nullify
target!
the gun nest!
I see one 30 meters out! Противники открыты! Got one south side! Yeah, I see him!
Suppress that MG! Move when his lights up!
Target in the window! Let's move!
Flank up on him!
Where are they? Got a target! Get that! Visual! What's by the crate? Got it! I got an enemy 40
Get loud on that gun!
I'm reloading! Cover me! Roger that! What's on the stairs? Got a target! Target down! What's by that barrier? Yeah, I see him! Cover me! Got an enemy south!
Got a mounted light! Watch his aim point!
Let's move! Got one by that building! Got a target!
MG down!
Nicely done, CIA!
Let's move! Hey, Southwest! Got a visual!
Our
Target
runners,
down!
they're breaking for the warehouse!
Target's moving! I'm reloading! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late.
Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up.
Let's do this. Fuck.
They killed the power.
Don't light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
No, they're here.
Shit! See that?
Find him. Contact! He's down!
Got him!
Movement on the catwalk! Got one moving through the shadows!
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Looking. On it. Checking for power.
Find the power, locate the gas, and let's hit the road.
Lights coming on.
Power's up.
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Never is. 3-1 out.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Raj. Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out. All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Good work, Alex. Rally is the hook point for egress. Watcher to 3-1. Alex, do you read?
I got you! 3-1! Who the fuck is...
Answer. Mano Rusi. Marines. Amitar. Lazim nitarak. Parak. Parak. Yalla! Yalla! Yalla!
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John.
Laswell.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Where travel's fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible hospital tablets. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it. Let's get it done, yeah?
Hey, firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
They're here, brothers! They're here! Come here! Go!
Don't fucking move!
Police, freeze! Get your hands up now!
Get down on the ground! Right now! Not gonna tell you again!
Suspect.
They fucking got him!
Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired, officers down. We need medical down here now. Let's move.
Let's take fire!
bookshop secure.
All units! Civilians are exiting the bus by the fountain! We need to provide support! There are 4 civilians trapped near the red bus! I have no weapon! I need assistance now! Sergeant, the civilians in the bus need our help! Sir, there's a hostile near the red bus! He's targeting civilians!
Where's the bloody army?
2-6.
Let's move.
Fucking hell!
Are you good?
Copy, Sergeant. Suspects are retreating into the Tanto building to the northwest. Cover it now. Secondary detonation in the cabin! Bomb them! Shoot it! Fucking hell!
Raven, Saber 2, officers down outside the Tanto building. Officers down! Blue!
I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price.
Sergeant Garrick.
You with me? Check those corners. Hostages, up top.
Up here! Someone! Someone, please! Help us!
Get it off me! Please, get it off me! Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them!
All stations, we have a man with a bomb strapped to him. Keep your distance. Come on, David.
Look, open!
Can you help?
I'm trying.
They're missing my girls! It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time! Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing?
Captain!
All stations. Room is clear. Prep medical are coming up. Everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
Let's go. You saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men were tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actual intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
I get it. You're with me.
Al-Qatala's claiming responsibility.
Oh, orders from the Wolf and Urzikstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen chems.
Well, he'll need the Liberation Force on his side, so have him contact the CR.
You know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Meta Kareem. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولا قدامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
"48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Al-Qatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Al-Qatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Al-Qatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Then help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelanato.
مرحبا لأرزكستان, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges.